everyone, this is John from the Neo Blockchain. I'm currently responsible for the Eco Growth Department and the Neo Eco Fund. Today I wanted to share the latest progress of the Neo and our vision for the decentralized finance. Neo is an open source community-driven platform that is leveraging the blockchain technology to realize and optimize the digital world of the future. The Neo mainnet has been go live for 4 years since the launch in 2016. The Neo has some unique technical feature, the DBFD 2.0, Neo VM, the multi-language support. It's including C#, Python, Go, JS, Java. Neo has more than 10 developer communities globally to support the Neo infrastructure, building and lower the entry barrier for the Neo development. Working with various partners, our EcoBoost program provides the full lifecycle support for high-potential projects. Neo would love to hear from you and discuss about how the EcoBoost could help. The EcoBoost program was created to stimulate and support the ecosystem developers and project participants. In this process, the multi-resource will be combined to provide the full life cycle support, including the funding, the technical guidance, the marketing assistance, and more. The funding side including the Eco Fund, the developer grants, the smart contract fee subsidies. The tech side including the security auditing, the wallet integrating, the payment gateway, the liquidity solutions. The community side is including the 500,000 community members, the more than 10 global developer communities, the more than 100 dApps growth together. The marketing side is including the social media promotion, the PR resource offline the events. We're also glad to find the new partners in Japan with our EcoBoost project. Earlier this year, Neo had achieved a number of the major milestones. Back in June, we joined the Interwork Alliance, a constituent of the leading industry and blockchain player as a founding member to develop and promote the digital asset standards. Later this year, we also partnered with blockchain-based service network BSN to build the foundation of the mass adoption for a global blockchain network. Those enable us to build our vision of the truly interconnected world. In August, Neo together with Ontology and Switch launched the Poly Network, a cutting-edge interoperability protocol. Already, the Poly Network is helping connect the blockchain network ranging from the Ethereum to Neo, Ontology, and Cosmos SDK-based blockchains. With Neo 3 coming soon, achieving the interoperability with the key networks mark a milestone for Neo as well as the blockchain community. Now Neo is better positioned than ever for the official launch of Neo 3 by the end of 2020. Moreover, Neo's recent development once again shows its commitment to the DEX growth. For a DEX to success, it must support the core assets and provide the sufficient liquidity while delivering a good trading experience. To that end, the Neo has enabled Nash and Switch, two leading DEX, to grow in terms of the transaction volume. Poly Network is further accelerating the growth of the Neo's DEX. On the day it integrated with the Poly Network, the Trade Hub, the Switch cross-chain processed more than the 10 million of the worth in transaction volume on the very first day. Since that start, the Neo has maintained its leading edge by involving its protocol layer. With the Neo 3 set to deliver optimized the performance and efficiency, Neo is more ready than ever to build the smart economy of tomorrow and the DeFi solution of the future. By leveraging blockchain technology, the decentralized finance represents a new kind of the finance, composable, programmable, objective, fair, and transparent. We strongly believe that the public chain will play a key role by providing the basic financial tools. For example, the Uniswap, the Compound, and the Synthetics have delivered creative innovation to improve the transaction liquidity, the token distribution, and asset tokenization. As demonstrated by recent example, we believe the public platform can provide the 3 key elements which are instrument to the decentralized finance. The first is asset, a variety of assets for amplified scalability. The second is market, a low friction and high liquidity market. And the third is money, the stable and well-priced currency as value medium. Showing NEO commitment to DeFi is Flamingo, a DeFi project incubated by the NEO Global Development. Flamingo is a full-stack the DeFi protocol integrating the cross-chain asset gateway, AM-based swap, the synthetic stablecoins, and AM-based the perpetual. As a main part of the NEO DeFi, the infrastructure, the Flamingo builds the NEO ecosystem's DeFi network while also delivering the innovative solutions to challenges the DeFi are facing, such as the friction and the lack of the atomic cross-chain interoperabilities. With Poly Network, the Flamingo became the first financial protocol with the DeFi market to support the multi-chain asset mobility, thus overcoming the single-chain market limitation while delivering amazing efficiency. The limited efficiency and the liquidity due to the fragmented resource and over-globalization. Flamingo became the first DeFi protocol to fully integrate the AM liquidity pool and collateral the asset pool, thus improving the capital use efficiency. A lack of the long-term the sustainable operation and community participation. To incentive the community participation, Flamingo has distributed the FIM, its project token, to participate based on the contributions while also delivering its value support. With its breakthrough the technology, the Flamingo is delivering optimized user experience by integrating the platform for improved liquidity, the capital efficiency, and reduce the investor risk. Comprised of the 5 main components, the Flamingo offers the features such as a cross-chain asset gateway, the wrapper, on-chain liquidity exchange swap, vault that integrate the asset management functions such as stablecoin mint and platform token mining, and PERP, AM-based the perpetual contract trading platform. Flamingo has made several breakthroughs in terms of optimizing the user journey, integrating the platform liquidity, improving the capital efficiency, and lowering the investor risk as compared to the cross-product model adopted by the current DeFi program. That being said, the NEO's DeFi infrastructure will not stopping at the Flamingo. From the lending to insurance and index the funds, the potential is limitless, and we encourage the NEO community to join us in building the NEO's DeFi ecosystem. At present, even Flamingo design is still undergoing optimization with questions ranging from how to introduce more external asset type to which Oracle implementation should be integrated for the purple module, as well as the open governance mechanism before the DAO goes live. As such, we welcome all community participants to proactively the initially proposal to further optimize the Flamingo and build a more robust ecosystem. Moving forward, we are also pleased to share with everyone the latest update for the NEO 3. As a new step for the NEO blockchain, NEO 3 will be a future-proof full-stack blockchain solution made of a decentralized file storage system, the NEO FS, and a DID solution, the NEO ID, as well as a built-in Oracle. As we move closer to the release of the NEO 3, the preview 4, most likely the final preview version before the NEO 3 the test night goes live, we are finishing up on the implementation, the new governance and economic model, which includes a new governance committee and a voting-based incentive mechanism. Those, together with vast new features and improvements in system security and performance, NEO 3 will surely become the ideal, the next generation, the internet infrastructure for mass adoption. We target to invite everyone to experience NEO 3 on the testnet by the end of this year, with NEO 3 the mainnet set to launch in the first quarter of 2021. On the way to the NEO 3, we have some exciting activities planned which we welcome everyone to join in for a smooth and seamless transition for our current ecosystem. We are developing an early adopt plan for the project and developers, as well as a migration plan to smoothly transfer token and asset. On the other hand, we are also reaching out to the new developers by setting up a developer grant program by the end of this year while hosting a hackathon for developers interested in trying out and building on the Neo3. As a project originated in Asia, Neo has always attached great importance to the Japanese market and also kept close contact with it. In March 2019, with the development of the Neo's game ecosystem, we hold the Neo GameCon in Akihabara, Tokyo, with more than 1,000 participants. Japan is the country that set off the digital wave in Asia, and we also became one of the world's leading blockchain markets. Therefore, we are very happy to embrace the Japan market and engage in it under the local regulatory framework. Currently, we have a wide range of developers in Japan who help us to edit the Neo Development Guide, this book, and help other developers to know the Neo technology. Neo has cooperated with many large enterprises and universities all over the world, such as the Swisscom, the University of Zurich, the National University of St. Petersburg, and so on. In Japan, we have already cooperated with the Japanese company on the NFT, the DID, and cross-chain technologies. We expect to work with the Japanese enterprise and education institution in future. We will maximize our resource to the Japanese market and provide the support to build the new generation of the digital economy in here. In the end, I want to say, over the past 4 years, we have built a strong foundation for our future success and growth, and it was made possible through our community continued support. With our community at our core, we are confident that together we can build a more open, connected, and efficient world and build the smart economy of tomorrow. I believe the future is here and it is brighter than ever.